Hey guys, Zach with Eber's Garage. Today we're going to be showing you this 2012 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ. A couple things quick about it. Unique to the LTZ model for this year anyways is a projector beam headlamp. There is projector beam fog lamps. The chrome grille. Up top here on the windshield we have a camera that's for lane departure warning and forward collision alert. That was one of the earliest vehicles we had with it, would have been this model here in this year, so it's kind of neat that's on this. Moving over the side, we got 19-inch alloy wheels. That's an upgrade on this with Michelin tires. Lots of tread life. One of the things I liked about the Equinox for this generation anyways is it has a plastic rocker and it's flared out, so it stops a lot of rocks. You're not going to see rust build up on the body panels as if it was painted. This particular unit has accessory splash guards on it, so it does help for that protection. You can tell they've been on there probably from new because the body shows very well. The mirrors have a chrome cap on them, and then of course the chrome accents. That was another thing unique to the LTZs. Moving to the back, because it's a 3-liter, it's got the upgraded V6 engine. You get dual exhaust, a backup camera, and then on this model, a power liftgate. Since we're at the back, what you'll see is we got 60/40 split folding rear seats. And then I'll show you while you're back there, the rear seat actually slides front to back. So just give me 1 sec while we do this. And what it does is it allows for more cargo space or seating space. So you'll see we got an increased cargo space here. Or if we want more leg room, we can do it like that. Also in the back, the spare tires located in here with all the tools. So it's not up underneath. So it's not going to get filled with road grind, that sort of thing. So if you ever have to change it, it's not too bad. Let's pop our heads under the hood and see the motor and the powertrain. Okay, so under the hood, we got our 3-liter direct injected variable valve timing V6 engine. It is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and you might not be able to see, but the engine compartments finished very nice on this vehicle. You got a nice plastic shroud over the motor. Helps muffle the noise, but it's nice and neat, compact, and so has a good looking appeal to it. Let's hop inside the cabin and show you some more things in there. Okay, so inside the vehicle, do our typical dash sweep. We'll start here with the console. So it's got a console with a removable tray. There's a USB port down here. It is lit in there, and it's actually quite a decent sized storage. It goes almost down to the floor. So things like purses, laptops, that sort of thing are able to fit in there. There is channels for cords, and there's actually a little spot for a device. So you can close this, have your phone sitting there in the cord, and that's nice and neat out of the way. It's not taking up a cup holder. Traction stability control are on the vehicle. Automatic transmission, you won't be able to see it on the video, but on this side there's a manual shift control, and then another storage down here with a 12-volt outlet. CD player, tri-stage heated seats, automatic climate control, single zone. Locks are on here as well as the door, which is something they did on this generation of Equinox, as well as the child lockout. So the rear door child lockout, rather than being on the door itself, is right here. The radio screen is touchscreen, AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, of course CD player. We mentioned outside the lane departure warning and forward collision alert. The display for that's right here. Up top, we have the sunroof, which is power slide, power tilt. Power lift gate, we point out outside. The steering wheel's tilt and telescopic. And, in addition to a power seat. The the passenger seat's powered as well. There is Bluetooth on the vehicle. I think I mentioned that once before, but the controls are here as well as steering wheel audio controls for the radio. On this side, we have our cruise control and then the lane departure forward collision buttons. Automatic low beam headlamps, so they turn on when it gets dark at night. The driver's seat, and this was unique for the LTZ for this year, but the driver's seat has programmable settings. So you got driver 1, driver 2, and they'll also keep track of the mirror. So depending on, you can actually have it set to a key. You get in and then you can have the key turn on and it'll move to that seating position, which is nice. And then you can actually have it move back when you get out of the vehicle. Full power windows, locks, and mirrors. There is a Pioneer sound system. It's upgraded, or it's an upgrade from the standard sound system on this model. Pocket friendly key. And then it does have a factory remote vehicle start, and it's adaptive. So what happens with that is if you start the vehicle, it's cold outside, the system will automatically warm up when the coolant hits a certain temperature, or in the summer it'll blast the AC. Short of that, the vehicle has just over 100,000 kilometers on it. You'll see on the description what we have. If you have any questions, feel free to hit any of the contact buttons or give us a shout at 403-845-3328.